Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily remove Face ID on any iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also be sure to write, friends, your comments below the video and put your likes. So friends, let's get started and now I'm going to show you everything. First of all, friends, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone. And then scroll down a little bit and find the Face ID and password option. After that, enter your phone password. And here, when you get to the Face ID page, you'll need to scroll down a little bit and find this Face ID reset option right here. And when you click on it, you'll first be warned that before you reset Face ID, you'll need to disable another feature called Make Safe from Theft Your Phone. And so when you get that warning, you'll need to scroll down a little bit further down this page. Find this option for phone theft protection. Click on it, and now to turn it off, you just need to click on this button. Next, as you can see, it has been confirmed by Face ID that this feature is disabled. You might have it showing that only an hour after this action you can disable Face ID, because that's usually the case on all iPhones. After that hour, you'll get a notification that you can go back and disable Face ID. Then you have to go back to the same page, click Reset Face ID, and as you can see, instantly this feature will be reset. That's how it is, friends. You can easily remove Face ID on any of your iPhones. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put likes and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.